Chapter 14. The Power of Probiotics and Prebiotics. If there's one thing that can dramatically improve gut health, it's the right balance of probiotics and prebiotics. These two elements work hand in hand. Probiotics are the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut, while prebiotics are the fuel that helps them thrive. Together, they create a balanced, diverse microbiome that supports digestion, immunity, and even mental health. Many people think of probiotics as something you can only get from supplements, but they're naturally present in fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir. Meanwhile, prebiotics come from fiber-rich foods like garlic, onions, asparagus, and bananas. Without prebiotics, probiotics struggle to survive, which is why both are essential for gut health. The role of probiotics in gut health. Probiotics are live microorganisms that help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. When this balance is disrupted due to poor diet, antibiotics, stress, or toxins, harmful bacteria can take over, leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and even autoimmune conditions. Some of the key benefits of probiotics include improved digestion, helps break down food, absorb nutrients, and prevent bloating. Stronger immunity, over 70% of the immune system is in the gut, and probiotics help regulate immune responses. Reduced inflammation, a balanced microbiome lowers chronic inflammation linked to various diseases. Better mental health. The gut-brain connection means a healthy gut can improve mood, focus, and reduce anxiety. Different strains of probiotics have different effects. Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium are among the most beneficial, helping with digestion, immune function, and gut barrier integrity. Spore-based probiotics, like Bacillus subtilis, are highly resilient and help restore gut balance after antibiotic use. The role of prebiotics. Feeding your good bacteria. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the probiotics in your gut, allowing them to flourish. Without prebiotics, probiotics struggle to survive, making it difficult to maintain a thriving microbiome. Some of the best prebiotic-rich foods include garlic and onions contain inulin, a powerful prebiotic fiber. Asparagus and artichokes, high in fiber that fuels good bacteria. Green bananas and plantains, rich in resistant starch, which promotes beneficial gut bacteria. Cooked and cooled potatoes and rice form resistant starch that feeds probiotics. By incorporating more prebiotic foods into your diet, you create an ideal environment for probiotics to thrive, leading to better digestion and overall health. Probiotics versus prebiotics. Do you need both? Yes. Probiotics and prebiotics work together to maintain a balanced microbiome. Imagine probiotics as the seeds and prebiotics as the fertilizer. Without both, a healthy gut ecosystem cannot grow. If you've recently taken antibiotics, struggle with digestive issues, or experience frequent bloating, incorporating both probiotics and prebiotics can help restore balance quickly. To get the best results, eat a variety of fermented foods for diverse probiotic strains. Include prebiotic-rich foods daily to support long-term gut health. Consider a high-quality probiotic supplement if needed, especially after antibiotic use.